Today we are going to install some side skirt extensions. Window tint on the lighter side. This is a video for you. 55 series tires mounted on. Today we're going to be installing the headliner. This is my third project vehicle. Yo, what's good, my peoples? It's IllRoller16 bringing you guys another video. The first video of 2022 in November 2022. 371 days missing in action and some change, but we're here, we're alive, we're healthy, and we're grateful. Many things to be grateful for this year. We just hit, even though I haven't posted any videos in almost a year, we hit 1,000 subscribers, thank God. So thank you for your continued support. Very important for me to keep things organic, and I appreciate any and all support, whether you're here for, you know, car content or, you know, the skating content, etc. Thank you so much for your support, first and foremost. So salute out to you guys for that. Just giving you guys a brief explanation of what's kind of been up through the year before we head into the next video. 2021, towards the end, was a hectic year. If you remember, during one of my POV videos, I was letting you guys know I was house hunting, and I was renting a house at that time. Unfortunately, me and my landlord couldn't come to a deal. She was cashing in on the crazy real estate here in Tampa Bay. Everybody wanted to move to Tampa Bay and Florida in particular. You know, pretty much rent, mortgages have skyrocketed, and that affected me directly. So she ended up selling the house. I needed to relocate, same state. I do have a garage for my cars, so thank God I was able to do that. The only thing that sucks is my rent has increased 100%. So I'm paying double what I was paying last year. So I really been having to grind and you know, make sure I'm up to par to you know, to pay the bills and keep, you know, food, water, shelter first and foremost. You know, the cars and stuff are extracurricular activities. So thank God I was able to provide for that. But I just moved into this new place January 1st, so I was scrambling at the end of last year. Once you move into a spot, it takes you a couple months to get acclimated. I still don't feel 100% comfortable working on my cars in the garage. And I've been here 11 months, so that just kind of, you know, just kind of things, you know, just giving you guys the human aspect, the personal aspect of things that's going on. But I am getting, you know, more comfortable. Got a couple more months in my lease, and I'm still hunting for a house. So long story short, more videos coming from the new garage. I'm gonna cut to a couple clips right now. All right, this is the new garage, my peoples. Sorry if my voice sounds a little different, I'm a little sick. So we got to move all the tools over, start hanging some stuff up, and make this a nice place to be. This is a new spot. It's been a while since I lived in like apartments, so definitely got to get used to it, but we'll be fine. And we'll keep looking and find a house sooner or later. All right, so this is garage 1. Had to make it a workshop. Here we got the Turbo Mx3.
Waiting for its engine.
Francesco on the beat.
So this is probably where I'm gonna drop the engine in. So I got the engine hoist over here. Got the engine stands over here. And then my other garage, or garage 2, is where I'll do some of the other stuff, you know, maybe lighter stuff, but this is gonna be like my heavy duty garage. Still cleaning up, but spare parts. All right, I'll show you guys garage 2.
People, so this is my main garage. I'm not showing the full garage because I have project number 3 in here. So I'm trying to kind of keep that a secret for now until I come out with the video. But this is an oversized 1-car garage. It's a little messy right now, but got our bins, we got our slat wall. I was able to take that away from the house. It's a mess in here. We got our cabinets. A little messy right now, but yeah, my peoples, that's it. So as you guys saw, that's the new workspace, the new garage. As far as new things with the cars, Turbo MX3, I decided to go ahead and build a whole new top end of the motor, the head. So I went with the SuperTech valve train complete.
All right, quick, before I drop these off at the machine shop, this is a dual valve spring kit. They're supposed to be 74 pounds. I'm gonna verify. You've got the spring seats. Comes in the kit. Titanium retainers. And then the dual valve springs, these are duals. Should be able to safely rev out to about 8,500, 9,000 RPM. Next, we got the intake and exhaust valves. Let me see. That's the intake. The exhaust. Standard size. I did not do oversize. These are the stainless steel valves, just to go with the new valve seats, just everything new. And lastly, the valve guides. Let me get these open. Part numbers. These are the exhaust side, I believe. These are the intakes. That's it.
Machine shop is finishing that up. The bottom half of the motor is done. So we're inching closer to putting that back together. Should be an interesting project. I don't even know how I'm gonna react when that car starts up again, but we're inching closer to that. The white MX3 continues to be my daily driver. Haven't done much to it. I did do the side skirts, which is gonna be the video following this video. I did the side skirts install. I installed the headliner, which made a world of difference. I mean, ridiculous. I didn't have headliner in there for a while. So we reupholstered that, and that's gonna be a future video. Let me think, what else? And that's pretty much it for those two projects. However, I'm adding a third project, which I will share with you guys here in maybe 1 or 2 episodes. I've been eyeballing third projects. I don't know why, you know, just a gut feeling tells me to, you know, try and get some of these cars right now while the pricing is right. As you guys have seen, cars have skyrocketed in price. A Miata, you know, 4 or 5 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, you could pick them up for 500 bucks, $1,000 bucks, something in decent condition. Now you're struggling to find anything under 4 or 5 grand. So, you know, same thing with the 240 SX, an RX-7, you name it. And when I say RX-7, I mean like a FC or a FB. So I'm thinking that it's the right time to go ahead and pick up a couple new projects. I'm gonna start with the third project. I can't have all these cars that are not running, especially with the limited space in an apartment, even though I have a garage. But I did secure a deal on the third car. I'm gonna share with you guys. I think you guys are gonna be pleasantly surprised, and you guys won't be disappointed. So stay tuned for that. I think that pretty much closes out this video for a life update on, you know, what's kind of been going on. But I really try and keep things grassroots and organic. It just makes me feel better about my work. So all I ask is that you, if you're watching this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share with your friends, anybody who you think would be interested, and any support is appreciated. This is Mazda-16, my peoples, checking out. Salute.